Sanding, 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 nothing about sanding. I don't know when you're gonna get yours running. What, Jetta? And then, I don't know when you're gonna get yours running.
What are we doing here, guys?
Sanding, 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 nothing about sanding.
Just sanding. Sanding away.
That looks so fun.
Very, very fun.
You know what? If you want to shave it, this is the consequence. You gotta take your dash, you gotta weld, you gotta bondo. Too much work.
So what have you done? It looks like you took out the glass in the Corrado.
Yes, we did take the glass, we take all the interior, we take all the panels, we take the seals, we took the sunroof. We pretty much completely got it. We got to take the dash apart too because we weld and we don't want to burn the car.
Why'd you take the seals off?
We take the seal off to get paint because we got to add pearls into the paint.
So are you gonna do custom interior, or are you gonna put the stock interior back in?
For right now, I think I'm gonna do stock until I get where I want it.
If you know
And I'm gonna do custom. We'll see.
Tired of selling bonds.
So and this is it. Like you have to make it perfect. So the next step after this is paint, right?
Oh no, the next step would be primer.
Well, I mean, yeah.
Primer, then
But primer you spray paint, like paint, right?
Yeah, it's like paint.
I was right.
And then after that, I prefer to wet sand the primer with 320.
Yeah.
And then leaves it really smooth. And then you could do like a sealer and then paint.
What's going on? What you doing with the Corrado here?
Oh, right now we are throwing down some primer.
So the engine bay has been shaved. It has been bondoed.
Yes,
sanding.
Yes, and it's all smoothed out. And we're gonna throw some primer on there, and then some guide coat. And after the guide coat, we're gonna sand it again with some 320, and then see if we can find some more imperfections before we actually paint.
Gotcha. And how many hours do you think you have on the bay so far?
On the bay, For me,
Or I mean, just a collective of everyone working
collective
probably.
of everyone, I'd say a good amount. I'd say like around 30.
Wow.
Because Chayo was doing it in the middle of the week. I come in the weekends and whatnot, and yeah.
But so yeah, all the plastics on there. So he's gonna start.
Yeah, right now we're just gonna do bare metal and where there's some filler. Where say like right here where there's no paint, then there's no need for it. So yeah, so just where there's filler and where there's bare metal, and then we'll go from doing some detail work after that.
Sweet.
Yeah, and then with this, we can put some guide coat on the primer, and then after it shrinks, because this does shrink, and when it shrinks, if you sand it before you let it shrink, sand scratches will seep through unless you're like doing it super fine, but it's really hard to do it super fine, especially on this. And then, so let it shrink. After it shrinks, put some guide coat on it, and then sand it. You can sand it with water or just dry, and then it'll come out dusty and all that. Really, really smooth. So as long as you leave it smooth, then you can see with the guide coat every little imperfection. Then you could just go with the razor blade and skim on it.
So like down here in this crevice, like what are you thinking for there?
So right now, I don't have a clear picture of what I'm gonna do there. I know on Pandas, I managed to smooth it out. I'm still not sure. I'm gonna ask Chayo if he's gonna do anything with that. Because like this side, obviously you need it for the fuel lines and that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if Chayo needs to do something. If not, I'll probably use some fiberglass filler. So it's kind of like Bondo, but it's made out of fiberglass.
Okay.
And then fill that in. That way it's more durable and easier to fill.
Gotcha. Sweet.
So we're just filling it with some primer. All these little chips that it had, little rock chips and little dents. Because if we don't, then the primer the filler is gonna suck up the clear if it's painted over or anything, and then you could see some rings or you could see some scratches or whatnot. So right now it's just pretty much primering everything, letting it dry, letting it shrink, so that way we avoid scratches or anything. Pues ahorita estoy rellenando donde hicimos el reparo y donde tenía hoyitos o lo que sea, con primer, así para que el Bondo no chupe el clear o la pintura cuando lo vayamos a pintar. So ahorita nada más es para que todo esté liso, todo esté limpio, ya cuando esté listo para pintar no se mire nada de rayas ni nada así.